Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you could fix a Bluetooth not working on your Windows computer. So you have been trying to share files or simply to use Bluetooth in your computer and you realize that you are either getting an error or it's not working at all. To fix that, there are maybe three potential reasons. First, that your Bluetooth settings are disabled in your Windows computer. The second is that your drivers are outdated. And the last option is that you might have a hardware failure. So we will go through the solutions. For the first one, press on the Windows sign or the Windows sign button on your keyboard and type services. You will see the application here on the right, services. You can click on it to open or simply click open, or you can just double click on the left panel on services. Once you clicked, the services will open. Click anywhere with the mouse and then press the letter B and keep clicking until you see Bluetooth. Here we have it, and as you can see, in my case, the issue was that it was disabled in the settings. Double click on the first one, change startup type to manual if you want to turn it on and off manually, or automatic if you want to turn it on automatically once you start your computer. Select which one suits you and select apply. If you want to use Bluetooth immediately, you can click start and this should start the services for you. For now, I will just leave it like this and click OK. We will go to the second one and we'll click on Bluetooth support services. We'll select startup type. For my case, I want it to be done manually by myself. Select manual or automatic and click apply and click start if you want to start it immediately, and then click OK. Now that we have changed the settings, we'll go to the next stage. So we'll just click to close our services. Click on the Windows sign or press the Windows sign on your keyboard and type again settings. You have multiple options, either open this one, is the same, or double click. Once done, we'll just go to devices. As you can see here, we have Bluetooth being mentioned, and double click on it. Here we will just go ahead and select add the Bluetooth or other device. If you want to plug or to connect a wireless display or dock, TV, another PC, you want to click wireless display or dock. If you want to connect your Xbox controllers with wireless adapters, you select everything else. Otherwise, if you want to connect a mouse, a keyboard, a pen or audio and other kinds of Bluetooth device, then you click on the first one. Your computer will go through and then it will reflect for you all the available options. If this doesn't work for you, what you want to do, you want again to check, you click on the Windows sign and type device manager. This option will allow us to check if all the drivers are there. This little window will pop up, and here we will be checking for the related items. After the device manager is open, you want to check if there is Bluetooth driver installed. If you cannot see it, it means it's not there. So to fix that, you will need first to type dxdiag to check the settings of your computer. What is the brand of your computer? What is the serial number, for example, and what is the type of your computer. And once you have all the details, you want to go to your browser and type, for example, I have Lenovo T420, so I will type Lenovo T420 Bluetooth driver, and I will choose Windows 10. Once done, you can go ahead and download or search for the results to download the drivers and to install them manually. This might solve the issue for you if it's related to drivers which are not installed. If after installing the drivers manually, you still enable you to use your computer's Bluetooth, you want to check with the technician if there is no hardware failure. If you still need help or assistance, you can always write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like if you find this video useful, and also don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.